I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, at Walmart, we're at Walmart again. Today we're looking at the Power Acoustik. This is a motorcycle head unit. This is the first time I've seen this in Walmart. Of course, you can see it's a 7-inch head unit. It's like got a double den, like I guess a single den on the back part of it, but the double den front. So you can see it's $4.99. It's a Power Acoustik. I don't know much about radio, motorcycle equipment or whatnot, other than the speakers, but the head units, I don't know if they have special ones other than this. Is the first time I actually seen one that's specifically made for it. I'm sure there are other ones available, but of course, if you're looking to get one and you don't want to order, you can go on to Walmart and pick this one up for $4.99. Of course, you can see it said for 2014 Harley Davidson, certain models or whatnot. So I'm sure it probably won't fit all of them, but if you have a Harley Davidson, you can pick this one up right here, and you probably won't have to go through too much to make it work. So it looks like it's a custom fit to go right in there. And certain ones, Road Glide, Street Glide, Ultra Limited, and the Tri Glide, Harley Davidson motorcycles. And definitely, if you want to, pick up one of these, this may be a budget deal. But of course, if I'm at Walmart and I see a deal somewhere, I had never seen a or it's something like a Christmas special, I guess you could say. Because they always seem like they put stuff out around Christmas, and then you may not see it again. But I'm not sure if it's available at your local Walmart, but you can be sure to check it out or check it out online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, share the video. Just bring y'all a quick Walmart update. If I'm in Walmart, y'all know I bring it to y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe. See y'all back on the next one.
Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.